Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TickTick for time blocking and reminders step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the TickTick website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see options to sign up using your email or through third-party accounts. If you prefer to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that you will remember. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. If you choose to sign up with a third-party account, click on the corresponding icon. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Once you have entered your information, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from TickTick. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the TickTick website and log in using your new credentials. Now that you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. To start utilizing time blocking, navigate to the Tasks section. Create a new task by clicking on the plus icon. Enter a task name and details in the respective fields. Set a due date and time for your task to incorporate reminders. Use the repeat function if the task is recurring. Once your task is set, click Save to finalize the entry. Now, repeat the process for additional tasks you want to include in your schedule. To view your tasks in a time-blocking format, go to the Calendar view. Adjust your calendar settings to suit your preferences. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust their timing directly on the calendar. Set notifications for each task by going to its settings and enabling reminders. Customize reminder settings to receive alerts through your preferred method. Continue adding and adjusting tasks to optimize your time blocking strategy. Explore additional features like lists and priorities to enhance your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.